Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Specifically, we'll demonstrate right here, guys, on a 2012 Ford F-150. But even if you have a different year, that generation, the video may be helpful. The first fuse box that we'll be working on is the one right under the hood. When you open your hood, on top of the radiator, guys, right there, you see the fuse box. And when you open it, you will just face it that way. You have the relays, fuses here as well. Now, let's explain quickly, guys, why it's super important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. The first fuse, guys, that you will need to check specifically, guys, for that for the tail lights, park lights will be, guys, the fifth fuse in that row right here. The fifth fuse from left to right. Even if you have a missing one, you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That fifth fuse right here, 20 amp fuse. You need to check this fuse, guys, for sure. Then we're going to go, guys, to the fuse box that's inside the vehicle. Let me show you. That's the one that's inside the vehicle on the passenger side in the footwell by the kick panel under the glove box, kind of like on the right side. And here, guys, we need to find two fuses specifically. If we come on the very first row right here on the left side, guys, okay, from top to bottom, if you have a missing fuse, you count it. We need to find fuse number 13 and 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. These two fuses, these two 15 amp fuses needs to be checked. This fuse and the fuse right here. You have two more fuses that you need to check. One of them, the third row, 1, 2, 3 from left to right, the very top fuse, that 15 amp fuse, is another fuse that we'll need to check, guys, specifically for that purpose. And if you come right here on the fourth row, the first fuse, that 10 amp fuse, is the one for park lights, tail lights as well.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.